Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to find the sum of the given series using the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So using the C program, we need to find the program 1, that is sum of series. We need to find the sum of the series. The given series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. Right, so it is increased by 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, like that up to n numbers. So we need to find the sum of this series. Now we'll open the main program, void main, open the braces. The header file we can include, is a default, we can include the header file stdio.h conio.h. Then we'll declare the variable integer n comma I comma sum. So the n is nothing but the maximum value in the series. Starting from 1, it will go up to n number. So this series can be formed by using the for loop. For that we are using this variable I. The answer is stored in sum. The final answer, the adding this series is stored in the sum. Right? So n is the maximum number in the series. I used for loop. In the answer is stored in the variable sum. After clear screen, we ask the user to enter the value of n. We need the value of n, right? So this user will enter the n value. Using the scanf, we can scan the n value, and n mean address of n. The user enter the n value stored in the variable n. Right. Now how to create this series 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n? Using the for loop. We know that for loop having 3 variables: initial value, condition, increment. What is the initial value? We need to specify here. What is the increment? What is the next number? What is the condition up to which we need to go? Right? From this series we can easily decide. Initial value is 1. Right? Initial value is 1. What is the increment? It is incremented by 1 by 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So I plus plus. I plus plus mean what is the meaning? I equal to I plus 1. With that I value 1 will be added. I equal to I plus 1. Right. Then what is the condition? Condition is up to n. Right. I less than or equal to n. N also included. So less than or equal to n. So we open the for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. 1 is the initial value, n is the maximum value, incremented by 1, 1. So that I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I equal to I plus 1. That is I plus plus. So this for loop will create the number starting from 1, 2, 3 up to n. Now we need to add this number. In order to get the answer, we need to add this number. For that, what we are using sum equal to sum plus I. We will see how it will add at this value. We will take this initially sum equal to 0. We assume that initially sum equal to 0. Then only the memory buffer will be cleared. What we are adding the number will be added into the sum. So that we are clearing the memory sum equal to 0. So what is the initial value? I equal to 1. First the I value is 1. Right? So it will go to the statement. The I is less than or equal to n. Let us consider the n what we entered is 5. You can go up to 5. So this condition is satisfied. It will go to the statement. Sum, what is the statement? Sum equal to sum plus I. The sum is 0. I is 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. Now the sum value will be 1. Initially sum value is 0. After executing this statement one time, sum equal to sum plus I, sum equal to 0, I is 1 means 0 plus 1, it become 1. Then it will go to the increment, I plus plus. That is I equal to I plus 1. Means I is already 1, 1 plus 1 it become 2, I equal to 2. This condition is satisfied. I is less than or equal to n. N is 5, I is now 2 only. So this condition is satisfied. Again it will execute sum equal to sum plus I. The sum is now 1. I is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. right? Now the sum become 3. Again it will go to the increment, like that it will go up to 5. For example, if we enter 5, it will go up to 5. So after executing all this up to this condition, the sum is added with I. So finally we will get the final answer. So printf the added value is %d sum. So it will give the final value. So after get ch we can close the program. Right. Now we'll see the output. Let us consider this n equal to 5. Right. So initially I equal to 0, sum initially I equal to 1, sum equal to 0. So sum equal to sum plus I, that is 0 plus 1, it become 1. Now I equal to 2. So this condition is satisfied. So that sum equal to sum plus I. So the sum value is now 1. So 1 plus 2, it become 3. Right. Now I become 3 incremented. This condition is satisfied. I is less than or equal to 5. So that sum equal to sum plus I. Sum is now 3. 3 plus now I also 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now I equal to 4. Incremented to 4. Sum equal to sum plus I. Now the sum value is 6. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Again I equal to 5. Now sum equal to sum plus I. The sum value is now 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Right. Now I equal to 6. So this condition is not satisfied because n equal to 5. We entered n equal to 5. Now I equal to 6 means I less than or equal to n. The I is 6 now. So this condition is not satisfied. Right. So it will stop the process. The for loop will stop the process. So it will execute it up to this. See, the sum value is 15. Now we will verify that. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Right. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So this is our required answer. So we got the required answer. Right. So starting from we entered n equal to 5. I value is 1. How is it we decided I is equal to 1? It is clearly given in the series. I equal to 1. Suppose series starts with 2 means I should be 2. The answer is stored in sum. So we cleared the memory by putting sum equal to 0. We assign 0 value. Then sum equal to sum plus I. This means the sum and I will be added and that is stored in the sum itself. That is the advantage of this expression. Sum equal to sum plus I. Added and stored in the sum itself. So the sum value will be updated here automatically. Initially sum equal to 0, I equal to 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. That 1 is stored in the sum. The sum is keep on updated. Initially 0, now 1. Then it will go to I equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Up to it will go 5. While going to 6, the condition is not satisfied. It will stop the process. So that we got the value of 15. So in this program, we discuss how to add the sum of the series. By using for loop, we are performing this operation. In that for loop, we have 3 conditions, 3 statements: initial value, final value, and the increment. Initial value easily identify from the series. Condition we can easily identify from the series, that is n. The increment is, see the series, it is incremented by 1 by 1. So that I equal to I plus 1, I plus plus. So I equal to 1, I plus plus is the increment, I less than or equal to n is the condition. So using for loop, we executed this program. And the expression is sum equal to sum plus I. That is sum and I is added and stored in the sum itself. So we discussed the sum of series program using the C language. Similarly, we can have so many other series also we can perform using the for loop. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.